Menteri Rangba ka jala Meghalaya kondat ke sangma loong ke Sorkar jala kadang up ya kubo nak kenal kampo yeng ke Sorkar India halor ke jingdawa penterkam ya ke inline permit. Haba jubab ya ke jingkeli na MLA Mawlai ba prasasti sakumi. Menteri Rangba ka jala loong ba ke Sorkar jala kadang ya le kat bala banyak keren bar ke Sorkar India bad eksamen bad aiklo ya kerai. Haswa kan dia ba prasasti sakumi loong ba arsnem kila Shillong le no nadu ba mynjur ya ke resolution da ke yeng torbar. Bandawa penterkam ya ke inline permit na ke Sorkar India ha ke jela. Ulang baladai ban mynjur biang hayeng dorba thawan halo ke jingdawa penterkam ya ke inline permit da ka bakado baka yeng dorba thawan ke jela Manipuru kala mynjur hado laisin bandawa penterkam ya ke inline permit hado bakanda urlong.
Reply to star question number 80A. Sir, the government is awaiting response from the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. B. No, sir. C. The state government is taking all possible steps to urge upon the government of India to examine and consider the proposal.
Yes, my process.
Mr. Speaker, sir. So the issue of ILP is it is a very important issue, sir. So if you recall, since year 2018, 19, 20, 21, even this year, March 2022, even today now, September 2022. So again from our side, I think all of 60, so we are very concerned of this. Sir, in the meantime, I'm thankful to the present government under the leadership of Mr. Kyrwoh that he took a decision with all of us to pass a resolution or sending to the government of India that we need ILP. So since the matter has already been nearly of 2 years, I thought that it will be proper from the side of the government again if he can bring back a resolution of reminding the government of India of this issue. So why I'm saying that, like that, sir, that if we recall that the state of Manipur 3 times on the floor of the House, they have already passed a resolution again to remind. So on this, may I know from Honorable Chief Minister, for nearly completion of 2 years, or is there any official communication from the government of India to the government of Meghalaya that official talk is already going on this issue, sir?
So we have, of course, expressed and shown our seriousness on this issue by passing the resolution on 19th of December 2019. And further, it was sent to Government of India on 23rd of December 2019. And post that also, sir, we have, I have personally followed up with Government of India, with the Honorable Home Minister in writing twice to him, reminding him about this resolution that we passed, and also as a memorandum which was submitted by the Cabinet when the Honorable Home Minister had come to Shillong for meeting of the NEC. And continuously, sir, the efforts are on from our side, even at unofficial levels. Discussions and talks are taking place. But this, of course, is a process, and it requires continuous engagement with Government of India. And we are trying our best, sir. But from our side, as a government, and all the members who are present in this House, the fact that we have passed this resolution is the most serious step that we have taken till date to show our concern and our stand on the ILP. Hence, sir, as of now, as I said, there is that is the communication that has taken place, the resolution, sending of the resolution, and 3 letters being sent, 2 letters plus 1 memorandum, which has gone from the government to the Ministry of Home Affairs.
Sir, Mr. Speaker, sir, from the reply of the Honorable Chief Minister, I understand that from his side, he have done his work of meeting officially, unofficially with Union Home Minister regarding this issue. So since the matter is already been, nearly 2 years about it set, whether the government feel that it seems that it's high time again of to knocking the door of the government of India, especially to the Ministry of Home Affairs, by appointing of a senior minister and senior minister and senior official again to pursue of this matter, sir.
So as I said, the matter is being followed up continuously, and I have been following it up myself also. So hence the matter and the process is on, and we are engaging continuously with the government of India, sir.
So last question, sir. Sir, I feel that though the government have already expressed sincerity on this issue or seriousness on this issue, but we understand, sir, unless that somebody go and meeting quite oftenly, you understand that we are human being, we are busy. We understand the government of India is very busy looking after all the city of the country. But no, you will not got seriousness about our issue of ILP. But I feel that if the Honourable Chief Minister, if not the senior minister, if not the senior official, if he can use the service of the 3 MPs that we have in New Delhi, like we have in Shillong MP, Tura MP, and the President Rajya Sabha MP, that will be much better. That mean important, you understand, sir, because MPs more of the time are there in Delhi. If we couldn't trust it, if we convey, giving the option letter to them, and I'm sure that even them also will be much happy of pausing about the main important issue of ASIC. With these words, sir, thank you, sir.
So I've noted the suggestion down. As I said, sir, the matter is continuously followed up at my level, even Honorable Deputy Chief Minister and other ministers whenever we go to Delhi. This matter is always discussed, and we are continuously following it up, sir. And the suggestion given that MPs also can communicate this. The MPs are doing it at time and again. Once in a while, we hear them speak about the ILP also. But so we can have a talk with them and communicate and take up the suggestion which the Honourable Member has said, sir.